Hello friends, today I am going to share you with how to use Wired's one opportunity finder scanner. This is opportunity finder scanner. So here we can set some condition. The first condition I am going to set LTP. So I want the stock range between 500 to 1000. So I just type from to 500 to 1000. So only now I select Nifty 50 stocks. So only Nifty 50, the range between 500 to 1000 rupees range will be appeared here. So I want all future and option stocks. It's the range between 500 to 1000. So all future and option stocks are appeared here. The range between 500 to 1000. Next, I am going to change trading volume. I want the volume is 50 lakhs to 100. Then it's filter again. I got only one stock. Just dial. So I just change to 10 and click find. So more stocks are comes here. So we can apply another condition also, like under outperforming index percentage. So I just select to Nifty 50. %1 to 5. So the best performing stocks are appearing here. Underperforming means negative stocks are comes here. So this is a live scanner. If you set this condition, if any stocks are met that condition, it's pop up here. Okay, now I'm going to change another condition, like percentage above average volume 100 to 200. So high volume stocks are appear here. Okay, I got client mark. So LTP I'm going to change 100 to 1000 range. So we'll get more stocks. So I got one more stock, Torrent Power, with high volume. Like this way you can set any conditions, and if the all the conditions are met, that stocks are pop up here on live. Okay, let's see landmark chart. See, open itself, high volume is showing. Next stock is Torrent Power. Let's see Torrent Power chart. Okay, Torrent Power also showing high performance. Like that way we can make our own live scanner with the help of Wired's one trading terminal. So you can set the condition to any 40 to 200. So more stocks are appear. If any stocks average percentage is more than 40, that stocks are pop up here. Once it's pop up here, you just open the chart and watch the stock movement. And you can select any sector. So if you want only Nifty 50 stock, then choose Nifty 50. So only no Nifty 50 stocks are appear here. Some people are trading only Nifty 50 stocks. So there is a filter for Nifty 50 stocks. So whenever the stocks is break the average volume, it's pop up here. Here I am going to give now 40 to 200%. So once the stock break the average volume 40%, then that stocks pop up here. Most of the time, if any stocks are break that average volume, it will be definitely goes up. See another use of this scanner. Go to the tools section, heat map, just click it. Here you get the complete overview of all sector. Just right click and select sector map. Okay, you will get all sector with the changes. I'm going to sort out. So here bank sector is more negative and telecommunication is positive today. Now we got banks and telecommunication. So I'm just going to change outperforming index by percentage. Even bank sector are negative, but only these two top bank stocks are positive today. So these two banks are going against the trend of the sector. See, it's uptrend only. See, this bank also showing good performance today. Next, telecommunication. Telecommunication is plus today. So what are the stocks are against in telecommunication sector? So first I'm going to choose telecommunication. So here also I need to choose telecommunication. See, even telecommunication is positive today, but Intraday and Bharati Airtel, these two stocks are against the sector trend. See, once you see that, it's almost crashed. Fires one providing this type of scanners, and if you buy this type of scanners from outside, they charge monthly, but Fires it's absolutely free. That's why I like this platform. Whatever the things we need for trading, everything they included in the single platform. So we can create any scanner with the help of these Fires one scanners. If you wish to open a free trading account with the Fires, just click the link below in the description box and fill your details. Definitely this platform helpful for day trading, and you can use this for analyzing purpose also. Hope you like this training video. If you have any doubt about any strategy, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another training strategy. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.